welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Balki. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome. Alright, so in this video, I want to do like a little barracks room tour because I stay in the barracks, okay? Because I'm a single soldier, okay? By God's grace, that title will change soon, yes, and I will move into a house. But yeah, I'm a single soldier right now, and I live in the barracks. And I just want to show a little bit, not too much, a little bit of what it looks like, okay? All right, so here we go. All right, so walking in, we have a little hallway here, okay? This is me. We have like a little hallway. It's not that big. Yeah. So this is it. Like a little hallway here. Yep, the floors are not exciting, just know that. And then we have a little what is it, coats closet. Yes, this is what it looks like, coats closet. But you know, we keep like, yeah, mop and broom in there. So this is the coat closet, okay? All right. So here we have our microwave and we have our refrigerator. Yeah, so that's a microwave and refrigerator. Yeah, it's like a, yeah, standard microwave, I guess. Then we have the little refrigerator. We just have water in there right now and some jello and fruits, yeah. And then there's a fridge part also. No, that's the fridge on the bottom. That's the freezer. But yeah, that's it. And then we have this little kitchen area. Yep, it's not a kitchen. We don't have a kitchen. But we have a kitchen looking area with a sink. And we have a humidifier because apparently this place can have mold problems. So yeah, we gotta keep this humidifier on 24/7 because like we're not trying to get mold in here. Like when I heard that, it terrified me. Yeah, so thank the Lord we don't have any problem like that. So the humidifier has this little thing at the back, so we gotta keep it hanging over the sink. When we first moved in, that was a problem for us because the water was like leaking, and yeah, so now we just put it over the sink and empty it out. So yep. And then we have some closets down here, some cabinets. Yeah, we just keep little things. We have cleaning supplies in here. We have other stuff in there. Let me see. Yeah, we have trash can, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. Yep. Then we just have, you know, just little things. Yeah, we just have a little snack in here. And bowls and mugs at the bottom. And then this is our little bathroom. Yep. This is our bathroom. It's like a bath, tub, shower thing going on. So yeah, this is the mirror, the sink. Yeah, nothing much. And then here is my little corner. Yeah, this is my little corner, my bed. I have my night lamp here. Just bought it at Walmart. And then I have my candle going. It looks like this because I dropped it and it shattered, and it still works. So yeah, I'm still using it. And I have a little fake plant here, right here. Have my sunglasses, my fairy light remote control. Like this is the first time I'm dealing with fairy lights, LED lights, and it's cool. It can change color. See that? It changed to orange now, to green. All right, let's put it back to purple. Yeah, so, or blue. Was that purple? Yeah, that's purple. Yeah, so that's my fairy lights. And then I have my prayer lady here. This was a gift from one of my father figures. Yes, this was a gift from one of my father figures when I graduated high school. If you've watched my other video, my house tour video on my channel, you will see it again. Yeah, so this figure is over 10 years old. We're in 2024. Yeah, I love it. And then this is my favorite, one of my favorite scriptures in the Bible. Do not let your heart be troubled. John 14 verse 27. And I made it. I bought the template. I bought the background, and then bought the little stencil. Yeah, that's the word, stencil. And yeah, wrote it out. But yeah, that's my bed. I wish it came with headboards, but it doesn't have headboard. And those are the lights going all around. I need to find something to cover this wall, because I just wanted to cover the walls, that's all. Because like it's quite, you can see like it's quite dirty. Yeah, they've allowed us to paint, but I don't know. And then we have like a little thermostat right here. Yep. And then this is the little outside. That's my view right there. So yeah. And even this wall too, I need to find something to cover it, because yeah. And then I have some of my bags under my bed. And then I bought like a little space rug. So just to make it homey, you know, make it cozy. Yeah. And then here is my closet. Yep, so got some of my clothes, my shoes, just stuff here. This is my little art center. I'm trying to tap into my artistic side again. Yep, it's not as organized as I want it to be, but it will do for now. And then here is my body skincare stuff. Just yeah, I guess this is mostly for a TV. So if you buy a TV or something like that, you can put it there. Yeah, errands, jewelry stuff, and yeah, just random things. Then here I have books, Bible, and yeah, nothing much, feminine stuff. So yeah, so this is my little space for now. Yes, by God's grace, like I said, you know, I don't want to leave here for too long, because you know, I don't know, it's just I want space, you know, I want my own space. I've tried my best to make it as comfortable as I can for the meantime. Yeah, that's why they always tell us, like, don't just get stuck in your barracks room. Like, actually go out and do things. So that's what I plan to do. This is just, you know, my humble abode for the meantime, but I've made it. I've tried to make it as comfortable as possible. But yeah, if you move into a barracks room, this is something you should expect. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye.